What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lorenzo, this is 7th Gear. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. I'd be definitely appreciated. So today, basically, I have the 500 out. It has a handling package, so just wanted to do this quick video because I keep reviewing the footage and I messed up when we took delivery of the car, and also when I filmed this video a couple days ago. The handling package gives you the front splitter wickers, and those are in the trunk. And it also gives you the oil catch can, and that's also in the trunk. I saw that in the box the day before we took delivery, and I just completely spaced on mentioning it. Also, I'm in the BMW. It's got the iDrive knob select. If you've been in a BMW or own one, you know what I'm talking about. But I literally tried going from reverse to drive. This thing and I chuckled. All right, anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. But what I'm gonna do today is install the lip here. They literally just had it in the trunk, and our salesman said the dealership couldn't install it because it's track use only. So it literally is only these 4 bolts. I think it's a T20, and yeah, I'm gonna pop that on. I'm also gonna take it for a cruise here in a bit. There's a guy that I met on Instagram who has a 2020 GT500 who lives probably like an hour from me, so he's gonna come down. We're gonna snap some pictures and go for a little burn. It is already super hot out here, and I'm already sweating, so apologize for that. It went on pretty easy. Like I said, for the most part, it was just those four screws. In the previous video, I also said it looked like tinted plastic, and apparently it's not. I had seen another car, and I guess that one had like a tinted Lexan or whatever, kind of like you'd see on the Z06. But it looks pretty sweet. Another thing that I think is interesting too is that the car, the Mustang color, the GT500 color name is Shadow Black, and the spoiler said Absolute Black. But it went on pretty easy, and it looks way more aggressive, which is crazy. Like the gas mod wasn't bad enough. I mean, it's a lot worse now, but it looks a lot more aggressive. But yeah, like I said, it's literally those 4 screws. So the ones that come on the car are shorter, and it comes with a bag of longer ones. But yeah, it looks sick, it looks nasty, and yeah. So I'm trying to suck up as much AC as I possibly can because it is 100 degrees here today, and it is very, very spicy. So I'm basically gonna meet up with the guy who has the 2020 GT500 that I met on Instagram. We're gonna have a little bit of fun. I'm gonna show some of the cars off in the shop and go for a little cruise. And yeah, so I'm just sitting here waiting, and this guy should be pulling up soon, I think. So we'll see. Well, what do we have here? Yeah, go ahead, Paul. Open it up.
So you got the carbon fiber?
Carbon fiber interior, got the Recaros.
Does it have the tech pack then? Or?
It has a tech pack. It has the handling pack too. I literally put this on like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah.
The dealer couldn't install it because it's track use only.
So when did you get it then?
Last Saturday. Picked it up last Saturday, so it's fresh. It's got the painted stripes.
Oh, that's painted?
Those are painted stripes, yeah.
I could tell those were.
Yeah, you feel them a little bit. What the cool thing about this is
stuck out more.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
And you don't have the gaps, like the cut lines.
Yeah.
They're a little bit more seamless.
Yeah.
So apparently they paint the body and they send it to Penske. And I guess Penske paints the stripes and they send it back to the factory, from what I'm understanding.
That's something different, you know?
Yeah, it's different. That's what needs to be done to this thing too, man, especially on black, you know?
Yeah. He brought it down and I was like, this is probably the best.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I mean, and when you feel it, it's easily probably the best upgrade, I would think. You know what I mean?
It needs it, to be honest.
Dude, this protects it. And all them bugs, he just wipes them off, man. Yeah, that's crazy, man. You can't tell because that line, it goes all the way down in.
Yeah, it goes all the way, wraps in there.
It wraps in there, man. That's sweet. I'm part of belong to the Lone Star squad.
Okay. I actually have 2 sets of signature wheels. So that's why I thought it was kind of ironic that we connected on Instagram and then like 2 days later you posted with signature wheels. I was like, wait, what? It's kind of crazy the way that worked out.
Yeah. Sorry, that's bad audio, bro. Oh my gosh.
What was that?
Bro, I picked my whole body. I couldn't talk when we were going down.
That's so funny.
Oh man. Oh my gosh, man. Dude, and you can't even, honestly, you can't even tell that it's that fast.
That's fun, man.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
I appreciate getting a look at the garage too.
Anytime, bro. Anytime.
Oh my god, dude.
That lightweight feeling, bro.
Oh my god.
So that's it for this video, guys. I appreciate you watching. It's cool to meet Zachary through Instagram, and then like I said, he's a part of the Signature family, so it was cool to hang out with him and his buddy. Got the cousin with me. Yeah, this car handles amazing. Like I said in another video, it feels heavy, and it still feels heavy to me, but you can really hustle it, and it feels planted, and it's fun. It's really fun. What do you think? So yeah.
Not really much to say.
I don't know what you say from that. Hello?
Yeah, it's just on a blue one.
A blue what?
GT.
Where at?
Going to Marble Falls.
That's hilarious. I knew he was gonna say that when I saw him calling. But no, like I said, this thing, it's nasty. I just don't like this shifter. But other than that, can't really complain. It hauls mail. It's got the beans. I don't know how else you want to describe it. How do you feel?
That was good. I feel sick.
He feels sick. Oh, his sounds so good. I can't believe how good it sounds.
I wonder if that's what this sounds like from outside.
I don't know. It doesn't sound that loud in here.
It doesn't, but I wonder if that's how
Like
it
the
sounds
crackles and the upshifts and downshifts. I can feel the upshifts and downshifts, but I don't know if it's got that much spice because it's not broken in yet. I don't know if it'll change.
Sound good.
Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. Yeah. Can't get any better than that. Great Saturday.